Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can use the indicators in this group, how to set everything up. So first of all, you have to open up the browser. It can be any browser, so just open up the browser and search for MetaTrader 4. Okay, after you search for MetaTrader 4, you will get the results and look for FXCM markets and go to the link. So after you open the website, you just hit download MetaTrader 4, start download. And once the download is finished, then you have to click on open, and then this will pop up. You just have to hit next and nothing else. It will install itself. Just wait for a couple of minutes and it will be installed. Once it finished, then you hit the finish button and the installation process has now been completed. Now the software will open up. Just wait for a short moment. Okay, the website came up. Just open up a demo account over here. So I'm selecting FXM USD demo 2 and then hit next, then new account, hit next, then enter your credentials, your name and your details over here. It can be any details. I'm just entering a random one, so do not try to reach me via this. Hit I agree to subscribe to your newsletters and hit next. So once the account is opened, you need to just copy these credentials and then use this in your login and just hit finish. So after this, everything is initialized and your account has been successfully opened.
Incoming mail.
Minimizing this. I'm just minimizing this. So now I'm cleaning the interface a bit. Okay, I'm just opening up one chart, closing everything else. So this is the chart. This is the H4 chart. That means 4-hour chart. I'm opening a 5-minute chart. Now I'll show you how you can apply the indicators, but before that there's a very important step you must follow. Go to tools and options, then expert advisors and allow DLL imports. Hit OK. Now the DLL imports has been allowed. Now you can open the indicator that you want to copy. Okay, suppose this is the indicator that you want to use and just extract this indicator. So open up the folder after successful extraction and go here and you'll find these two folders. One is indicator, one is template. First go inside the folder named template and copy the contents inside this. And then go to your MetaTrader. In the top left corner you will find file. Go to file and hit open data folder. So after it has been opened, you will find a folder named templates over here as well. Open it up and paste the contents that you just copied. So after that, hit back and again go back to the file of the indicator. So here the indicator folder, go inside this and copy the content of this folder, and then you need to go to MQL4 indicators and paste it over here. So now it has been successfully installed. The indicator is installed. Now close this up. And over here, when you hit the template button, then you will get this JBT reversal setup indicator, which I have just installed. Hit this. The indicator is now open. So you can see this is the indicator. So like this, following this process, you can install any kind of indicator through MetaTrader 4. So that's it guys, this is a very easy thing to do. I've just shown a step-by-step process on how to achieve this and by showing an example indicator. So I hope you can also do it now. By following this small process, you can easily install any kind of indicator that is shared in this group. So thanks a lot for watching guys. Have a nice day.